my word. I can't even see. I'm not supposed to draw it down here. See, I'm looking like that wall gecko.
Sensational. Yeah. What did I do for you? Make me sweat, make me hotter, make me lose my breath, make me water.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Cash Rocks and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to this space, hi, I'm Cash Rocks, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome as well. So guys, I want to do something different from what I have been doing. Guess what? Alright, but before then, I came into the UK and it's been quite difficult. Like I think I've braided my hair once, and for me to braid that hair, I had to like do a trade by barter with my friend Choma before she made that hair, and that was the first time she was braiding hair for anyone. I was the first person she decided to like practice with, and it actually turned out very nice though. But guys, do you know the rate at which people are charging to make hair in this country? Do you know how much people are charging to braid hairs in this country? Like I have been really craving, like I want to change my look, change my style. I want to make a new hair, but the price and the rate I am seeing, guys, I am still converting to Naira. I'm sorry, don't come here and tell me why you're still converting to Naira here in the UK. I am still converting to Naira because I'm still working my 20-hour shift. I have not started working like full-timer. So yeah, so let me program myself very well, because guys, we need money for a lot of things. Yes, so because of that, I have been so keen on, you know, changing my wig style, changing my wig game. I've just been trying to invest in wigs and buy more wigs, and get what I'm trying to say, because a girl needs to look good for a girl. A girl needs to look good for even her husband as well. So yeah, there are a lot of things that I wasn't doing before. There are a lot of things that I'm not like so used to doing, that I have to like adjust. When you get to a new country, you have to like adjust, marginalize with the country, integrate yourself, saturate yourself, just for you to belong. So for now, we don't really have the money to start buying. I mean, so I'll be paying for stylists to braid different styles for you. So for me rather, so I have to learn how to install wigs. Glory to Jehovah. We have to learn it. So this is just going to be my installing my wigs. Okay, let me start again. This is just going to be my installing my wigs until I become a professional series. Yes, installing my wig by myself until brands start coming to my page and sponsoring my page and sponsoring me with wigs for me to create videos for them. Period. I said it. I said what I said. I said what I said, guys. Period. So anyways, I got a new wig. So this wig is from AliExpress and we are going to install it together. I ordered this wig online. Honestly guys, before I placed this order, I was like, will this wig come out well? Will it turn out well? But what I'm saying, we're going to check it out together. We're going to see if it's going to make sense. Do you get what I'm trying to say? If it's going to belong among the wig gang. Alright, so let's start off. This is something I actually purchased. Wig cap. I got a new scissors, and then the wig. Let's install. Oh, I'm going to take this sweetheart off my head. Really, this wig has been serving me back to back. It's been serving me back to back, and a lot of people have been giving me nice compliments regarding the wig. Yeah, I know, it's quite nice, it's cool, and it's cute. So I'm going to take this off. You guys are going to see what is underneath this cap. Wait, I'm coming. Transition. Ooh, I still look cool. Guys, I'm literally proud. I'm honestly proud of myself. Yes, I'm honestly proud of myself. Ask me why I'm proud of myself. I made this. If you go online now to ask them how much you braid this hair for, the price is £5. I know it will be neater. I know it will be neater than this one, but guys, At least it can still serve me to wear my wig. I can still wear my wig with this one. So I'm proud of myself. Yeah. So this is the first time I'm going to be installing a wig by myself. So you guys wish me, why is this thing shaking? Why are you shaking, for crying out loud? Why? Alright, so I have 2 wig caps here, and let me get my got to be wig product for this install. I'm trying to create with, I'm creating with my phone and with my camera. Creating with 2 things. So first of all, I will go ahead, like how I used to watch. What's falling down? So they used to say I need to wear this first. I have actually gelled this down, so I think it will serve well. So first of all, I should wear this and draw down. Oops, my makeup. Why is it so tight? Oh my word, I can't even see. Am I supposed to draw it this? Am I supposed to draw it down here? Maybe I should leave it here. Should I leave it here? Maybe I should leave it here. Why is it covering my eye? I don't know. Wait guys, I'm coming back. Let me figure this thing out. See, I'm looking like that's wall gecko. I think that's what they call them, wall gecko. Cause tell me why I'm looking somehow like I'm not looking like me. So I watched a video that someone said you have to start off by cutting from your ears. So that's what we are going to do now. Cut from the ears. No, I think we are going to chaotic. So I'm going to put this first for you to hold down before cutting from the ear, okay? So that's what we are going to do. I'm using my phone camera. I'm using my phone and also my camera finder, viewfinder as my mirror. So let's start from here. Hey God, I'm scared of my hair, so let it not just go and chop it off. Alright, so let's start. Oops. So I don't have blow dryer, so I'm going to use this as my blow dryer. So this is the got to be I used, and it's not that tacky. But let's continue. You saw me on heaven. You know what feeling the most. I still got nothing but love for you. So guys, I was able to cut down this. So I'm going to use this to hold down the wig. I think we are progressing. I try not to pin it. We're achieving something already, right? You can see that. Hello, you don't fly away today, I say. Loving is for life. I'm loving you for life. The rate at which Moses Blaze and the wife is trending. I think we're still gonna leave Ghana and Nigerian jollof rice aside and start dragging Ghanaian and Nigerian wedding together, because guys, literally from the engagement down to the wedding, and now for the marriage, right? I think they are talking about the gele that the lady tied. Nigerians are so mean. You guys are literally so mean. You guys are honestly mean. Seriously, you're mean. But to me, I think love wins always, no matter where you get married from, no matter where you're from and where you're marrying from. Love wins. Okay, it's dried already, so let me try. Yo, if you laugh me in the comment section, We go put left for inside one trouser, I swear. Let's continue. You're an angel. We are here now, and it's time for me to start cutting the lace. Are we progressing? Are we progressing? Let's cut this lace together. So guys, I'm done cutting the lace. I cut the one from the front, like the one at the front, and also there's a tiny one at the back. I just finished cutting it. So what I'm gonna do now is to go inside and style it, because I don't have anywhere to plug my hair straightener here. So I'm just going to go inside and do that, and I'll come back here and talk to you guys, okay? Because I think I've exhausted lots of time already. So let me quickly do that, and I'll come back and speak to you guys. I'm trying hard to catch my breath, guys. This is actually the first time I'm doing this color. Like, this is the first time I'm wearing this color, like, and it's amazing, honestly. Cause at first when I was ordering this hair, I was like, I don't want black. Like, I wanted something different. I have an umber hair, like, I think it's kind of gold and brown, but it's not really something like this, okay? So I was like thinking if I should go for wine, but on a second thought I was like, maybe my wine might be too shouty for me, so I decided to go for this color. And honestly guys, can you see the back view? I'm not even looking at it. Can you see the side view? Can you see the back? Honestly, it's giving what it should give. And funny enough, this hair is really affordable. Like, it's really affordable. Guys, this is so nice. I did not expect it to look this nice. And this is my first installation, all right? So the more I do this, the more I get perfect, period. So very soon I'll start influencing for brands, right? For a wig company brand, your guy is ready. Your guy is ready to start promoting you guys. Alright, so what do you guys think about my wig? What do you guys think about my installation? Did I try? Can you rate me down in the comment section? Over time, what will you rate me? What will you rate me over time? Let me know. Alright, so guys, I'm going to be stopping here because I don't know how long this video is already. I don't know how long it is already, but anyways, I have achieved what I was scared. I was even thinking I'm not going to be able to do this, but I was able to kill it, period. All right, thank you for staying tuned. Please subscribe if you're here too, and thumbs up this video. All right, I'm going to see you guys in next of my other videos. Bye.
I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself